Before I start my presentation, I say a quote. Education breeds confidence, confidence breeds hope. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rabka and today my presentation topic is about greenhouse effect. Now come to the contents. Contents are: what is greenhouse, founder of greenhouse effect, types of greenhouse effect and causes of greenhouse. Now come to the definition that what is a greenhouse. Greenhouse is also called a glass house because it is just like a building in which plants are grown, and these are structures range in size from small sheds to be very large buildings, and a miniature greenhouse is called as cold frame. Now there are few founders of greenhouse effect. There are three founders of greenhouse effect. First one is Joseph Fourier, who discovered the greenhouse effect in 1824. Second one is John Tyndall, who experimented in 1858, and third one is Svante Arrhenius, who reported quantitatively in 1896. Now come to the types of greenhouse. There are two types of greenhouse: natural greenhouse and artificial greenhouse. There is a comparison between natural greenhouse and artificial greenhouse. Natural greenhouse is created naturally and artificial greenhouse is created by human beings. Natural greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trap the solar off radiations to warm the earth, and artificial greenhouse allows the radiation to pass through and traps the radiation by not letting them escape. A natural greenhouse occupies a large area and artificial greenhouse occupies a relatively small area. Natural greenhouse creates the heating effect in the whole earth, and artificial greenhouse creating heating effect only in the certain specified area. Now come to this diagram. This diagram shows the light energy. White arrows emitted by the sun warming the earth's surface, which then emits the energy as heat. Orange arrows which warm the atmosphere and is then re-emitted as heat by three of the greenhouse gas molecules are water, carbon dioxide and methane. Now come to the causes of greenhouse. There are 5 causes of greenhouse effect. Number 1 is burning of fossil fuel. Second one is deforestation. Third one is farming. Fourth one is increase in population. Fifth one is industrial waste and landfills. Now come to the first cause, that burning of fossil fuels is just like a coal, oil and natural gas. Because it become an integral part of our life. When they burn, carbon stored inside them is released which combines then oxygen in the air to create carbon dioxide to increase in population, and the number of vehicles also increased, which is one of the main gas responsible for increase in greenhouse effect. Second one is deforestation. The deforestation is a major green area of the planet Earth because trees intake carbon dioxide and they release oxygen through the process of photosynthesis, and it is required by human and animals to survive. Large scale development resulted in cutting down of trees and forests, which forced people to come for alternate places of living. Third point is farming. That nitrous oxide is one of the greenhouse gas that is fertilizers contributes to greenhouse effect, which in turn lead to global warming. And fourth one is increase in population. That over the last few decades there have been huge increase in the population, that new manufacturing hubs come up with cities and towns that release some harmful gases into the atmosphere and increase the greenhouse effect. Fifth one is industrial waste and landfills. That industries which are involved in cement production, fertilizers, oil extraction produce greenhouse effect. Also landfills filled with garbage produce carbon dioxide, methane gas, contributing significantly to the greenhouse effect. Now next slides are discussed by the Nimra.